This is the Philips Stellar Bright LED light 8.5 watt inverter lamp, which is rechargeable. It has a 2000 mAh battery, fast charging, and gives a battery backup of up to 4 hours. And it has 6500K crystal white light with B22 holder, fast charging, and it has overcharge and deep discharge protection as well. Price is 525, but you can get it for a good deal, like how I got it for 320 or 330 from Amazon. Inverter lamp, up to 4 hours backup. Let's try to unbox this. So this is the bulb, just like the normal bulb, and a little heavy if you compare the weight, because of the circuit and the battery. Obviously 2000 mAh battery inside. This is the B22 holder that goes there, just like the normal LED, and can be regulated using your switch, on off switch. So once this is properly charged, and if there is any power cut situation, then this battery should turn on automatically if you have the switch on. For example, let me close the circuit, so you can see it is glowing, and you can judge the brightness as well. So you can actually regulate this particular LED bulb from the normal switch for that B22 holder. For example, the switch here, and if the power goes off and you have the switch on, will still close this circuit and make this LED bulb glow. And you can turn it off from the main switch that you have, on off switch, for this B22 holder. So pretty decent LED for emergency situations where there is a power cut. So pretty helpful. Might take 8 to 10 hours to charge the battery completely. You can see here, charge time 8 to 10 hours with 500 recharge cycle. So that's all in this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. See you in the next one. Bye bye.